Hello everyone, today I'm at Glossop station and it's a beautiful area, Glossop town, and we're gonna show you the railway station. There you go. Very beautiful place. I'll go through, show you the railway station itself. It's a very old station. This is a little coffee shop and post box. Some old lamps here and over there as well. It's a very beautiful station, and we got some machine for some chocolates, etc. Railway track, and this is company here. Unfortunately, there are no trains, and most of the trains have been cancelled because there is a heat issue, because it's quite strong weather today. It's about 38 degrees, and it's a very beautiful place. There's a plane going, don't know if you could see it. I think it's going to Manchester Airport, but there is a car park around here. And now if you're coming with the family, guys, it's a very beautiful place to hang about. If you go towards a bit of hilly area, there's some good trails for walking around, and there we go. It's a beautiful place, very old buildings, old stone built. It's an old town. It's kind of village, but it's a beautiful place. There you go. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please like and subscribe. I will speak in Urdu a little bit. अगर आपने ये पसंद किया है तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Inshallah, see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.